This is Rumour Control. Here are the facts.
We are nature's sound and climb with the fates and all the mischief. We are mimicking the gods with the actions of creation. We are splitting our reflections as the music is our mistress, forcing all directions, perpetual generation, evolving sound dynamics, subject matter vectors, automatic writing, inked by pistons and connections, mechanically angled in my flesh. I turn inverted. I'm the macro sound with momentum without purpose. I write, top producers, gym cuts, slice, some fucking machine, engineering, piece of rap generation. I design, gym break, tuck stitches, music clean, musical invasion, view a hip hop operation, and we're making beats exactly as they're actually meant to be. Entered existence on the turn of the century, evidencing our occupation. 4 records representing style and the skills that we're gradually elevating. Digest was hip hop, Optimum's electro, Watchmaker's electric. Wise was a cycle spinning back into hip hop, and you don't cease. And our illustrious, bountiful outflow just keeps getting better, pronouncing every beat and we're spiking every letter. Those hear it like it, those haven't might it. The talented hungry, leaving the well-fed frightened, trembling. I used to rap under a rat emblem. It could be the publicity. We barely scratch reviews, and when we do, we get some good ones assembling. Constructive considered, but some I doubt even took the time to hear the record. One gave us 4 stars and was copied from the press release. One gave us a slate and it was contradicted next week. One had no reference points but made some up anyway. I've got 2 words for you: journalistic integrity. All words, no action. If you continue this path, you're to value the worth of your newspaper captions. It could be the promotion. I'm told we never gig enough, and when we do, we practice. But frankly, we're kinda rough. Promoters aren't banking. The crowd gets no access to the organic band on a background of plastics. Musical perfectionist fan base interconnectedness, and the subject matter are getting paid. We're stumped with no reference